Hi guys, so now we are in the center of Pune, just 10 minutes away from the Pune station. We are in Kapila Business Hotel. So in this video, we're going to be showing you the different facilities provided by this hotel. We're going to be showing you the different rooms as well. As in our description box down below, we will be providing you the cheapest booking codes should you wish to stay in this hotel. So join us for a hotel tour, this time in the center of Pune in Kapila Business Hotel. Come on in. So this is the twin bedroom in the Kapila Business Hotel. As you can see, this is actually an old hotel. This hotel has been there for around 25 years-ish. But the one thing nice is that about this hotel is that they've remodeled, they have renovated over time. We can see that the phone is quite a bit old, but everything else you can see the design is new, this is new. Everything feels fresh. We have a flat screen LCD TV in front of us. We have a coffee and tea maker in front of us. We've got a table lamp. We've got two chairs, and it does feel kind of cozy. It does feel cozy, and we also have a menu. So an in-house menu in which the restaurant provides 24 hours round the clock. Quite interesting. They even serve wine, liquors, beer, and from 11 in the morning till almost midnight at around 11:30 at night. We have breakfast, quite a lot of variety in their in-house dining. So this is the room. This is the twin bedroom. We are also provided with a small mini refrigerator here. Now I'll show you around the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. We have got a cupboard and two extra pillows in case you need extra pillows there. We have two extra pillows and we have an electronic safe. And we also have laundry service for gents as well as for ladies. Provided that you're staying in a long stay here and you need your clothes to be washed and laundry, they provide their service as well. Yeah, and hangers also so quite okay. And dressing table, and I'll show you the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom. So now you can see that toiletries are provided. We have hand wash, we have moisturizer. Bathroom smells quite nice, quite fresh, means that it's constantly sanitized and put room fresheners. Shampoo and shower gel, a shower, toilet. This is the size of the bathroom. Okay, this is the size of the bathroom. I'm 175 centimeters, around 5'10", 5'11". There's a clothesline hanger here. So this is the bathroom, and we'll show you now next. We'll show you the queen or the king size, the double bed of the same hotel. Okay, so now this is the queen room, executive queen room, and instead of two beds in the other executive twin room, in the executive queen you get one big bed. Facilities are all the same. We have a huge window here, which I won't be able to show you because if I show you the windows, it'll be a huge backlight. So it'll be rolling right now how the view is. We have the same fridge here. We have one small mini fridge. The same facilities are available. Flat screen TV. Yes, and again, the cupboards. And I forgot to mention one thing which is quite nice. They thought about it. Not all hotels give this facility, is a weighing scale. Now the thing with weighing scale is that once you're traveling with flights especially, you would need to check the amount of luggage that you can carry. It's not to weigh yourself, definitely, but to weigh the amount of luggage that you're carrying. So supposing some flights will give only 15 kilos, some flights will give around 20 kilos, some flights will give 25 kilos. So you can weigh the bags that you're carrying, that you're shopping from Pune, with the weighing scale provided by the Kapila Business Hotel. Okay, and they also have some toiletries here, some dental kit, some shaving kit, and a hair comb. The bathroom is the same. I'll show you how the view of the bathroom right now on your screen. The bathroom is the same, and the cupboards, as you can see here, we'll be showing you the cupboards here. The cupboards also is the same. We got a couple of hangers, extra pillows, and electronic safe. So this is the Kapila Business Hotel. So you can see the size of the room. The size of the room is adequate to add an extra bed. Extra bed is chargeable, and for the cheapest booking links in this hotel, if you want to book this room as well as if you want to book the twin room, you can check the links provided in our description down below. We have got special and huge amazing discounts in this hotel. And more about the hotel, we'll bring you to our next point. So this is the meeting room of the Kapila Hotel. Now the meeting room of the Kapila Hotel is quite spacious. It's got capacity to hold around a meeting with the U-shaped format for around 20 people, 15 to 20 people. I'm assuming that if we make it into a theater style, we can fit in around 20 to 50 easily, okay? And we have a TV here. So the display can be, if any presentation needs to be done, we can use the TV for the presentation. This is quite okay. I mean to say, we've got two ACs, so, and it's Pune, you don't get that hot. And then this venue is regularly used by doctors and business meetings because the Ruby Hospital is just very close by. We've got two ACs and a private toilet inside the meeting room. So this is the additional facility that you can get if you're staying in the Kapila Business Hotel. They also have a gym, which we will be taking you in a while. But once again, we do need to remind you that the cheapest booking rates are available in our description down below. So if you wish to stay either in the queen room or in the twin bedroom, check the links provided in our description. Another exciting thing about this place is that they have their own gym, and if you can see that the gym is quite spacious. I mean, yes, during the pandemic times like this, you might think of that this gym will be easily comfortable for 3 or 4 people at one time. Yeah, but during non-pandemic times, it can be used by at least 5, 6. We have got weights, free weights. We have got a this is a full body machine. It's got, you can do all sorts of exercise in this. We've got the ball, we've got a treadmill, we've got, I really don't know what this machine is called, but this actually burns a lot of calories. Yeah, this is really good for those of you who are weight conscious. So again, once again, if you're interested in booking at this hotel, this is the Kapila Business Hotel in the center of Pune. This is just 10 minutes from the station, and in fact, it's very close to the Ruby Hospital. We do recommend that you book with our cheapest booking codes provided in our description box down below. We have got special discounts, and in regard of pricing, the hotel is really competitive. The hotel is really competitive. So once again, check the booking codes for the cheapest booking codes of the Kapila Business Hotel, and stay safe, keep smiling. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.